What motivates us to wake up in the morning? Job, adventures, hobbies? We have different bags for each of those situations. But we want to present you with an ultralight backpack transformer, suitable for both outdoor and urban adventures. Our backpack is ultralight and durable. It's made of high-quality fabric using waterproof and rainproof technology. Our backpack has a modular attachment system, including 3 different modules. Laptop tech sleeve, in which your laptop will always remain protected from any damage during your trips to the office or while traveling. Lightweight anti-theft mini crossbody bag, where you can hide your valuables and documents. Anti-theft because it is very light and thin, so you can carry it inside your clothes. Small square tote bag. You can store your backpack inside of it, or it can be the inner compartment of the backpack. Forget about complicated locks that break easily. In our backpack, we have developed a system that gives you quick access to the main pocket. Hook-on straps and carry loops are for attaching accessories like a flashlight or anything else that you don't want to put inside your backpack. Breathable and ergonomic straps fit for your urban life and travels. Life consists of little things. Enjoy them along with your AirFlip backpack.